So Callum just started eating these little rice puffs. And he's doing pretty well eating them. Still hasn't figured out exactly what he thinks about saying solid in his mouth, but he's figured it out. Huh, yeah. Yeah, slowly but surely he's starting to eat them. Today is Thursday, May, I don't know, 5th or so. And Callum just turned 7 months old about 2 weeks ago, maybe 1 week ago. We just started using these puffs yesterday. And I fed him one as I fed myself one. And he finally got the hang of it that you're supposed to eat it. It was pretty funny to see him grip them. He like grips them with his whole fist, but then they start to, they dissolve like really quickly. So they start dissolving in his hand. They get stuck to his hand. He can't really get them in his mouth, but yeah, if you suck your whole hand, you'll get it off, huh? Good boy. Oh, it's right there on the end of your hand. Can you get it? It's right there. Okay. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, it's right there. Oh. Oh, you got it. You got it. You can put it in your mouth. See it? I'm just going to buy a whole thing of these for the plane. This will entertain him while we're on the plane. Anything to keep him entertained on the plane, huh? Good job. Good job, you got it in your mouth. Want to see it in your mouth? Yeah, you're doing a good job.